The Legal Metrology Act and the packaged commodity rules are critical for consumer protection in India. Now we will talk about how these laws regulate weights, measures, packaging, MRP, declarations, and labeling, and what the latest 2023 to 2025 amendments mean for businesses and consumers. Namaskar and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted source for updates on consumer rights, product regulations, and legal compliance in India. Today, we'll explore a crucial law that affects every consumer and business in India, the Legal Metrology Act, 2009, along with the packaged commodity rules and the most recent updates and amendments that are already impacting your purchases in retail stores and online. The Legal Metrology Act, 2009 was enacted to standardize weights and measures used in trade and commerce across India. It ensures that consumers get what they pay for, whether it's 1 kilogram of sugar or 1 liter of petrol. The Act governs the use of standard units of measurement, verification of measuring instruments, labeling and packaging of goods. It empowers controllers and inspectors to monitor compliance and penalize companies or retailers who violate measurement or labeling norms. Packaged commodities rules, the backbone of fair trade. The Legal Metrology, Packaged Commodities, Rules, 2011, often abbreviated as LMPC rules, deal specifically with pre-packaged goods sold in India. Any product sold in sealed packaging, be it biscuits, shampoo, or electronics, must adhere to strict packaging and labeling norms. Mandatory declarations on a pre-packaged commodity, name and address of the manufacturer, packer, importer, common or generic name of the product, net quantity in standard units, kilogram, liter, etc. Date of manufacture, packing and expiry date, retail sale price, MRP, inclusive of all taxes, customer care details for complaints. Failure to comply with these rules can lead to fines, prosecution, or cancellation of business licenses. Recent developments, 2023 to 2025. What's new? In the wake of rapid digital commerce growth and consumer grievances, several amendments have been notified by the Department of Consumer Affairs. 1. Revised e-commerce rules compliance. E-commerce platforms must now ensure that mandatory declarations are visible before checkout. Non-compliance can lead to hefty penalties of up to 1 lakh rupees or more. Even foreign sellers listing on Indian platforms must comply. 2. Ban on dual MRP. Earlier, the same product was sold at different MRPs in malls versus local shops. Now, dual pricing is banned. Retailers must not charge more than the declared MRP, even at airports or multiplexes. 3. Clarity on net quantity. Updates were made to how net content should be declared in volume versus weight, especially for viscous goods like creams, ghee, etc. Tolerance limits are strictly defined. 4. QR code use allowed. For small packages, some declarations, like importer address, can now be shared via QR codes to reduce clutter, but key consumer-facing information must remain printed. Enforcement and penalties. Authorities such as state legal metrology departments regularly inspect outlets, warehouses, and marketplaces. Common penalties include 2,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees fine for minor offences, seizure of goods and criminal action in serious violations, cancellation of licenses in repeat or willful violations. Even e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. have been fined in recent years for failing to show proper consumer declarations. Consumer rights and grievance redressal. If you notice, no MRP, different pricing at checkout, incorrect weight, fake or missing manufacturer details, you can file a complaint via National Consumer Helpline, 1-800-11-4000, State Legal Metrology Office, online on Consumer Helpline, gov.in, As India moves towards digital consumerism, laws like the Legal Metrology Act and packaged commodity rules are becoming even more vital for consumer protection and fair trade. So the next time you buy a packaged product, check the label, note the MRP, and don't hesitate to raise your voice if your rights are violated. Stay informed, stay empowered. For more such updates on consumer rights and legal awareness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.